So here we are with another video for today, guys. Another news we got today. The Attack on Titan creator says that the manga is 98% complete. That means the manga is just 1 or 2% remaining right now to get completed. Attack on Titan's manga has reached the climax of its final arc, and the series creator Hajime Izayama confirmed this with fans by announcing the manga is already 98% finished. Earlier this year, Izayama revealed in an interview that the series had about 5% of its run left. It's been a few months from that event since he gave that estimate, and now it's clearer than ever that the series is truly in its end game, as Isayama revealed that the manga currently has about 2 or 1% remaining of its run. Unfortunately, it's too vague to figure out what truly he means, and also he didn't reveal that how many exact number of chapters are remaining to come out, with chapter 134 of the series releasing this month and the next chapter already scheduled for December. That means there aren't any chapters of the series left. What Isayama considered 5% of this past June was about 4 or 5 chapters ago, depending on when you started counting. So this means that if all releases goes as planned, there could be even fewer chapters left. I think from my opinion there must be around 4 or to 5 chapters left. I think 4 chapters left. This makes a lot of sense considering the current state of the manga thus far, as Eren continues his attack on the rest of the world with the power of founding titans and the titans formerly in the walls. The series has been leading to the final battle between Eren and the last remnants of humanity's fighting forces. The newest chapter even took this to the next step by setting this final battle in motion. The series indeed has reached its final moments, and soon fans will see what kind of ending the Attack on Titans can have after it has destroyed its entire world. Eren is the main character of the series in a different capacity this time around, so it begs the question of whether or not he can even be involved with the ending, considering killing him is the only way to save the world. But what do you guys think? I am really curious about what you guys think about how the Attack on Titan manga is going to end, and how do you think that final battle with Eren will go from here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this news, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.